So we got another cast aluminum repair. This one's off a side-by-side. The ball where it attaches down by the wheel is cracked. Customer would have to go and buy a whole new one, but let's see if we can get this fixed instead of throwing it out. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to hold soft aluminum so that I don't go and put indents in it. I'm using a number 6 cup with a regular collet body. Just had to go and cover up the camera, cut it up. I ground off the paint, fixed up the damaged aluminum. So I tacked up all 4 sides. There are proper aluminum burr bits, I just don't happen to have one. So that's why I'm picking this out. You want to make sure you're down to clean, sound metal. I'm clamping it all the way around this so that it'll keep it shaped the whole time. I tacked all 4 corners, and you might have noticed there was a metric socket in there, and that's just to hold the shape of the circle. It fit perfectly. I was manually pulsing just because I was going a little bit vertical here. My poor vice handle was always on the floor during this project. I could never seem to go and have it stay in place. So I just keep flipping this thing around because I want to be in a comfortable position when welding. I had to make a little bit of an opening here, so that's why I hit it with a grinder, and then it's just time to fill it up. I filled up all the one side, flipped it over, did a bunch more grinding, and that's why I'm playing peekaboo with the camera. I tried a different burr bit here, and then just lots more filling. I wanted to see how loose the socket was, and it was not going anywhere. If you enjoy my singing, you should check out the lives I do. Because when I'm not chatting with someone, I'm singing. Because that's always what's going on in my head, so you guys might as well hear it too. Now to figure out how to get the socket out. Let's see if we can handle it. Too big. Just right. That's steaming. Now to fix the inside. Gonna grind it all the way out and then try and hit it again. And I drop the vice handle again. When I say grind it all the way out, I mean like grinding it until you can't see any more crack. There's gonna be no more line. It's only gonna be solid aluminum left. There was the tiniest deviation at the end that I couldn't quite get the socket to go all the way through, but the customer told me when they took it to the mechanic to get everything fixed, they said it fit just like it was brand new. I also forgot to mention that I used 4043 for all of this repair. Not sure how I'm gonna go on how they're gonna get the grooves out. Probably for those simius snap ring. Customer is happy, so I'm happy. What would you like me to focus on my next aluminum video? Drop a comment down below and I'll use it for the next one. Thanks for watching.